Hello my dear friends, in this video we will discuss about a domain and hosting and how to do local host website to live website, how to convert local website to live website. So I purchased these two hosting and these two domain. So now I am clicking the Komal Agrawal.tech. So this is my main live host, and I want to local host. I will show you local host slash wp admin. This is my local host, and I want to show you my website. This is my website of the local host. This is the home page, and this is the about us, and this is the contact us. These three pages I ready to as a temporary base, and this is my name. Now I want to show you how to uh, all the files upload on a live project, we can say as a hostinger. So let's discuss. I will open my C drive in this PC and Windows C, and in the Jam server ht docs. I will open these all the files. I will do control A for select, and I press a control C and control X. Now I make a new folder. Just a second, I delete this folder, and now I will make a new folder. The name is com WPRESW. Okay, so I will control A, just a second, delete, control A, control X, and I will make a new folder. In that folder and control V. These for go into that in this folder. After that I will convert this file in jar file, zip file. So okay, and this folder converted into a zip file. After converting this folder, I will import on the hostinger hosting. Okay, and this folder is now prepared. So what I do, I will do, this is my comgtech komalagrawal.tech, and I will click on a file manager, and go to public HTML folder, and I will upload my file where I save this and find this file in this program jam file. After that htdocs, and this is my zip file. I upload this file here. This file is uploading now, you can see here. And now the XAMPP server is now running, so we can run localhost. If I stop this XAMPP server, I can't run localhost. You can see here. Again, I start the Apache and my SQL start, then the local server will run. And these problem why we face, because I save these file in one folder, so I will do like this, and I will remove this file here, and also this file I will remove here. Just cancel. Okay. Now, because this file is uploading in the live project, now I refresh a local project, so this is display on a Google browser. This file is uploading now. In that folder having no any data, so we will delete that folder. And after that, this is localhost, and we will open localhost php my admin. This is not running. Why? I didn't use here column 8080, and this is open, and I make a database in the WP database. These all are the table, so I export this database. Export. This database is now export in my download folder. I will unzip and extract these all file. Choose a file name. So I choose a Komal WP and extract. So these all the files here is exist. Now I am deleting here zip file, and in the folder having a lot of files, so I will move the file in a public HTML folder. So I will select here public HTML. One time I will do, so this is the public HTML, and move in the all file in public HTML. You can see here. I will this folder remove. So I will go in public HTML and I deleted this folder here. After that, I will go on download folder. I show this file and download. So I will copy this file and save on the desktop. I will open with WordPress, and I will found local host, and I found this local host, so I will do copy this local host column 8080 and replace this with my live URL. Control A and Control C. Now I replace with this live URL, so I deleted HTTPS and colon and replace all. Word file has finished searching the document. Okay, so now again I search this file. You can see Komal Agrawal.tag. Next line, same. We have changed our localhost column 8080 with the Komal Agrawal. This is my domain. So we have changed the domain in our database file. After that, we go on database and create a database. We remove previous database and make a new database. The name is Komal Word and the username is Komal Word 1 and password you can write here Komal @11. Now database is created and you will click on enter PHP my admin. Here you can see Komal Word database. So I click there and I import my file and I choose that the file I save on my desktop W3 and go. This file imported here. Again you click on that and check WP option. There is localhost colon 8088. So these remove these localhost remove with live website. Control A, Control C and go to there. Same these two columns, site URL and home, changes the localhost with live domain. Again right there and changes. And the database is now prepared. After that, one thing we will do, go to in file manager folder and public HTML folder and open a config.php file and there you see WP3. This is our previous localhost dataset and the live database we have made with this name. So this is my SQL database. So I will copy this database name and this is our previous database, remove and update with live database name. And this is my MySQL username and I will remove previous localhost username and I used the Komal Word 1 and the password is capital KOMAL Komal @11 and now file will you save like this. Now all things we have completed. Now go on hosting a go click on Komal Agrawal Techies and WordPress view. So we will click on WordPress edit admin panel. Here we found 404 node page.